Introduction. Why integrate Slack and Google Drive?
Remote teams rely on efficient communication and file sharing. By connecting Slack and Google Drive, you can automate repetitive tasks and keep your workflow organized. Integration lets you instantly share documents or get notifications, enhancing productivity and reducing manual steps. Let's explore how to set up this seamless connection using Make.com.
Getting started with Make.com.
Make.com is an online automation platform that connects your favorite apps. To begin, sign up for a free account on Make.com. Familiarize yourself with its interface, which uses drag-and-drop modules. You'll need access to both a Slack workspace and a Google Drive account. Make sure you have the necessary permissions to connect these apps.
Connecting Slack and Google Drive to Make.com.
Start by creating a new scenario in Make.com. Add Slack and Google Drive as the modules you want to connect. Authorize Make.com to access your Slack and Google Drive accounts. This grants the platform permission to move files, send messages, or create notifications as you define in your workflow.
Building an automated workflow.
Decide the direction of your automation, such as sending Google Drive files to Slack channels or saving Slack attachments to Drive. Drag in the necessary triggers and actions. For example, set a trigger for new file uploads in Google Drive, followed by an action to post a message in a specific Slack channel with the file link attached.
Testing and deploying your integration.
Once your scenario is built, use Make.com's test feature to simulate the workflow and ensure everything operates smoothly. If adjustments are needed, modify the steps and retest. After confirming the automation works as intended, activate it. Now your team will benefit from seamless file sharing and instant notifications between Slack and Google Drive.
Tips for optimizing your remote workflow.
Keep your integrations organized by clearly naming your scenarios and specifying which channels or folders the automation uses. Regularly review your workflows to adapt to new team needs. With Slack and Google Drive connected through Make.com, you'll save time, avoid missed files, and keep your remote collaboration efficient and stress-free.